Hello everybody. Today we will speak about one of the famous network forensic analysis tools. It's NetworkMiner. NetworkMiner is a network forensic analysis tool for Windows. It can be used to passive network sniffing in order to detect operating systems, sessions, host names, open ports without putting any traffic on the network. NetworkMiner can also parse bcap files for offline analysis and to regenerate or reassemble transmitted files and certificates from the bcap file. Actually, the purpose of the NetworkMiner is to collect data such as forensic evidence about hosts on the network rather than to collect data regarding the traffic itself. The main view of NetworkMiner is host-centric, information grouped per host, rather than packet-centric. If you go to NetworkMiner, NetworkMiner is a portable application. There is no need to install NetworkMiner into your machine, so you can run NetworkMiner from USB stick. NetworkMiner, we will use it to parse a bcap file prepared from our lab. As you can see, we have two files, traffic-test1 and traffic-test2. If we go to File, Open, and select one of them and select Open, the parsing process will begin. Before we click on Open, I want to go to the NetworkMiner folder itself and open the assembled file. As you can see, there is no any assembled files here. Now we will select this one and click Open. As you can see, the process started. This is the progress bar, and here we can see NetworkMiner during its analysis, and on the assembled files directory there is many directories created by the IP address of each host. Still, NetworkMiner tries to finish the analysis of the bcap file. As you can see, the window of NetworkMiner consists of multiple tabs. Here, what we spoke about before, NetworkMiner is a host-centric view. Okay, so as you can see, you will find all the hosts and all the information collected by NetworkMiner about all hosts extracted from the bcap file, like this one. And before we can go through the information extracted by NetworkMiner, we will open the second file. Open. Okay, that's it. As you can see, there are dozen of hosts that NetworkMiner extracted information about from the bcap file. These two hosts are well known to me. So if we go to this host with name main.home.dom.com, we will find that NetworkMiner get the information that this is a Linux host and this is the IP address, the host name, the MAC address is unknown by NetworkMiner. This is the host name. The operating system is Linux, and NetworkMiner tries to guess the distribution of this Linux, as we can see. Also, NetworkMiner detected that port 25 SMTP is open and there is traffic sent over this port. Again, NetworkMiner detects the sent packets to this host, source and destination, as we can see. Also the received packets, sessions, incoming sessions, and outgoing sessions. At the end, some host details extracted from DNS query and SIB communication. If we go to the Files tab, we will find list of all files extracted by NetworkMiner. The location, the source port, this is the source host, the source port, destination host and destination port, and of course the used protocol, besides the file name and file extension. Okay, for example, this is a 3 GB file. Right click and open file. Okay, as you can see, this is a reconstructed video file. Okay, and this is reconstructed certificate file. We can go through the reconstructed files and try every file. This is a document file. Okay, NetworkMiner succeeded in reconstructing the Word document file. If we go to the Images tab, we will see all images reconstructed using NetworkMiner. For example, right click here and open image. This is a reconstructed image. One of the good things of NetworkMiner is reconstructing emails. So as we can see in the messages tab, NetworkMiner succeeded in reconstructing sent and received emails. Here, this is the header of the email itself. This email sent to partner@outsidedom.com and from home@homedom.com. Actually, these are two local domains I created inside my test lab, and this is the body of the email itself. Another email, the body, the subject, to, from, and the all header of the email. Another one, as you can see. NetworkMiner also can extract the credentials included into the BK file. Of course, if these credentials sent in clear text, we can see it. But anyway, NetworkMiner determines the source and destination, the protocol. This is cookies. Okay. Also, all sessions included in the opened 2bcap files listed here, including client host, client port, server host and server port, protocol, and time. If we come here to the assembled file directory and, for example, go to IP address, or just we can search about .pdf files, for example, we will find all the reconstructed PDF files. Let's see if NetworkMiner reconstructed PowerPoint files or not. It seems that NetworkMiner already reconstructed the PowerPoint file, but needs some modification here. Okay. Now let's try to open it. Yes, that's it. Again, NetworkMiner focuses on the collecting information about the hosts, not about the for forensic analysis, and not about the data sent over the network itself. So you will find a lot of information about the hosts included in the analyzed bcap file rather than the reconstructed files itself. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.